Welcome to Mr. Chalk's Revision Tips. In this video we will look at the structure of the heart and blood movement through the heart. So the heart is a 4-chamber muscular pump which pumps blood around your circulatory system. The right hand side of the heart pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs where it picks up oxygen. The left hand side of the heart pumps it around the rest of the body. So the heart is made up of 2 small upper chambers called atrium, 2 larger lower chambers called ventricles. The left and right hand sides of the heart are divided by a thin muscular wall called the septum. The right side of the heart receives deoxygenated blood which has circulated around the body. It pumps this to your lungs where it picks up oxygen. The blood then returns to the left side of the heart where it is then pumped to your body. So the left hand side of the heart is going to have a thicker muscular wall because it needs more pressure. So if we look at naming one substance that is transported in the blood in the circulatory system and what the main type of tissue the heart is made up of, the things that blood transports, things like glucose, oxygen, carbon dioxide, urea and water, and the heart is made up of either muscle cells or cardiac muscle. So if we look at the physical process, so it's can be broken down into 6 main stages. So deoxygenated blood from the body travels through the vena cava into the heart and passes into the right hand atrium. The right side atrium contracts, forcing the blood through the valve into the right ventricle. The right ventricle contracts and forces the blood up through the pulmonary artery to the lungs where it picks up oxygen. The oxygenated blood then re-enters the heart through the pulmonary vein into the left atria. The left side atrium contracts, forcing the blood through a valve into the left ventricle. The left side ventricle contracts and forces blood up through the aorta to the rest of the body and the brain. So, if we are looking at describing how the blood moves through the heart, key things to talk about, like we've just looked at, is that the heart is a pump which is sending the blood to the lungs and to the body each time it beats. The blood on the left hand side is kept separate from the right hand side. Blood enters the heart through a vein and enters an atrium. Atriums contract, pushing it into ventricles through valves. Ventricles contract, forcing the blood up either towards the lung or to the rest of the body, and valves in the heart are preventing backflow.
Thanks for watching.